Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a passion fruit curd cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 4 egg yolks, mix slightly. Add in 2 tablespoons lemon juice. And mix to combine. Set this mixture aside. In a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, add in half a cup of granadilla pulp, a quarter cup caster sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix this mixture until the sugar dissolves. Mine took about 5 minutes. Slowly add the warm granadilla mixture to the egg mixture, whisking throughout. This process is called tempering the eggs. This is done so that the eggs don't scramble. Return the mixture to the pot of simmering water and whisk throughout. Keep whisking until the mixture has thickened. Mine took about 15 minutes, but all stoves are different, but the mixture should thicken up between 10 to 20 minutes. Pour the mixture into a bowl and cover with cling wrap. Make sure the cling wrap touches the passion fruit curd. This will prevent the skin from forming. Set aside to cool, then place into the fridge until completely cold. Next is the cake. In a bowl, combine 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of caster sugar. Give this a mix. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, and 125 grams of melted butter. Mix to incorporate all the ingredients. Spoon the batter into a prepared baking pan. Add 1 cup of passion fruit curd and swirl that through the cake batter. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow to cool completely. Then dust with icing sugar. Cut into the cake and enjoy!